Hello friends, welcome to the inventory management series. So we started the inventory management development full stack. We started full stack inventory management system development by building the backend with Node.js, Express and Postgres, and then we deployed the backend in render.com with deployment of the database, Postgres in the render and Redis in the redis.io. So you can check those videos, the full playlist of the backend in the top right corner. And we recently started the front end part with Vue.js. So we developed the login page so far, and we integrate the login API. Today we'll develop the few more things. Today we'll develop the taskbar, where we'll have the menus like the products and list all products, and along with we'll build the page where all the products will be listed in a table. So let's get started. So in the previous videos of this series, so we scaffold the Vue 3 project from scratch, and we added the Bootstrap 4 CSS there, and also design this login page, you can see. So you can check the video in the top right corner. You will get the link in the top right corner. We also integrated the login API. So if I click on it, it will call the API, and if it gets the 200 success response, then it will pop up this message that the login successful. Will come back. And today we'll add this top bar where we'll have this product drop down, where we'll have the new products and the all products. If you click on the new products, you will get to the route product / new products. And if you click on the all products, you will get the product list in this Bootstrap table. So let's jump into the coding. So let's request GitHub Copilot to generate code for us. Add a top bar. So I am providing this command, add a top navigation bar with section products. When I click on products, it will open list. Number 1 is the new product, and number 2 all product. So here it is, the GitHub Copilot generating the code. It's very nice. Let's accept it. We have some variables and the methods there, so I'll ask GitHub Copilot to add them in our script. Write the appropriate variables and methods. So you can see it's added. Yeah, it compiled successfully, and now you can see the top bar, and we have the new products and the old products. And when I'm clicking the new product, you can see the new product selected and the old product section selected. It's printing. It's functioning well. Let me add some Bootstrap classes in the top bar so that it looks nice.
So I'll select nav and I will ask GitHub Copilot to add some Bootstrap class. So here it is. I applied the Bootstrap class. So when I am clicking, you can see the top bar is expanding. This is not expected. So we'll fix it later. Uh, let's enlarge it and see how it looks like. It's kind of okay. So let me create another folder here. We have the auth folder. I'll create the product folder. And similarly, inside the products, I will have the product layout. And I will have the product list component and the new product. So the product layout component will contains the common style or the common elements for the products, like we can apply both the new products product list or in future if we add the more components. So the product layout will share those with those components, and from this actually it will navigate those components. So I put the router view. On the product list, I will just put the header like it's the product list. First, we'll check the navigation. Now I'll go to the router index.js and here I'll import those products layout, new products and the product list. The workspace will be common for all. The workspace is common, and in the child will be like the products can be a child of the workspace so that it can share the workspace. So here you can see we have the workspace, shared workspace for the product list, and if I add a route inside the children like the new product, it will also share the workspace. So let's remove this header workspace. I want to share only this nav bar, top nav bar. Now here we have like the Google product menu, the select menu. It's just selecting the menu and showing the paragraph like the product is selected or the new product selected, but I don't want. I want it should navigate those components like the when I will click the all products, it will navigate the component product list and When I will click the new product, we will navigate the new product component. So I will add the router navigate. So here if you see the select menu, there we will have the menu like new, or also I'll ask GitHub Copilot to add this thing. If the menu is new, then navigate the new product component. And if menu is all, then navigate the product list component. Here it is. Now let's check what is wrong. Let's see, seems that we have the unexpected token here. So let's fix this. So let's remove the inverted comma and put it again. The issue is fixed. Now it's complaining about another issue, like the new product or view it's not able to find. Yeah, got it. It's the typo issue. The link product, actually I name it the new product. T is missing. So let's rename it. And let's add the basic template here. So it's at least one required. So those are the single file components, right? So it's required a minimal boilerplate there. So I'll add the template and the script also. Yeah, that's good. We have the product. Let's go to the product. We have the new product. And in the address bar, you can see the now it's also navigating. The next thing we'll add the table, Bootstrap table in the product list component, and we'll render some sample data. So let's copy this example for the reference. I'll ask GitHub Copilot to uh, generate Bootstrap tables where I can feed those data. So create a Bootstrap tables. So the field, here you can see we have the fields, and I want to put the columns based on these fields. That's why I take this reference. So here in the get products, we will get the array of products, and we have to iterate this array to populate the values in the table. So I am also providing the command, or I asked GitHub Copilot to design the table such a way so that when we'll integrate the API, the list of products, it will iterate and it will render those values. Now let's take this products variable, and we'll have the created lifecycle hook. I'll hardcode some data, whatever we are getting. So I hardcoded it, and you can see I'm getting the product list, but it's taking the whole screen. So let me add the card. Mm, yeah, it's added the card header, card body, and it's looking weird. So let's revert it, and so I'll revert it, and I'll add the containers class instead. It's not looking good. Actually, those components should be inside the container class. So instead of applying the into the different components, so what I'll do, I'll apply it into the workspace where I put the router view. Here I have to put the router to inside the container class. Yeah, so far so good. So new products, all products. So I'll remove the those text, the content here. Yeah, it's working fine. And let's remove this hard coding value, the sample value, and we'll try to integrate the API. So instead of fetch, I'll use the HTTP because we have already set up the interceptor, the request and the response interceptor. So we set the HTTP request response interceptor in the previous video. You can check it out, the link in the top right corner. Now I'll check once the login how we introduce this login thing similarly. So I'll create this fetch products. I call it fetch product. I append the method the fetch product. Yeah, this is good. Let's try this thing. Let's login successful, and go to the products. But it's redirecting to the login page. This is expected because in our API we have the authorization enabled. So the user must provide the token in the request. So it's requesting the get products, but it's not providing the token in the header. That's why it's redirecting to the login page. So here, if I show you the products, we will see the products, it's in the 401 unauthorized. Yeah, the token, the BLR token is not passed. So yeah, that's it for the videos today. In next video, we'll see how we can pass the token. After login, we'll get the token anyway, and we'll use this token to call the further routes. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and stick to the series to learn Vue 3 from scratch, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.